Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 128 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have here the Femme Couture Rosé All Day Foundation. So this foundation is from Sally Beauty and it's infused with rose water and snow mushroom. And because of that, this foundation claims to be a hybrid of makeup and skincare. So it's supposed to be very hydrating and help to improve skin elasticity. So I was really drawn to this because of the rosé all day cute novelty aspect of this, because I love rosé. And I thought that the packaging looked cute because it has this pinky rose gold top and the frosted glass, but the glass is like chipped at the bottom. It's broken. It's kind of all scratched up, and there were only 2 of my shade available at Sally Beauty when I was there yesterday. By the way, this is the shade Fair. And the other bottle that they had in the store was even more destroyed than this one. So although this packaging could be really cute, it's in terrible condition and I just bought it brand new. So this foundation retails for $10.49 at Sally Beauty and it's only available in 8 shades. So that's pretty sad. I am trying to find another good foundation these days, so I did pick up a few foundations when I was at Sally Beauty. This one I was most excited to try just because it seems so cute, the Rosé All Day Rose Infused. I love skincare, so when you can get skincare with foundation, I'm really into it. But let's see how this actually is. I do like that it comes with a pump. Start out with 1 pump. So it pumps out as a pretty runny liquid. I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender to apply this. And I did already prime my skin using the Ulta mattifying primer. Okay, that first pump did blend out pretty nicely. It does seem to match my skin tone pretty well and has decent coverage for 1 pump. But I was only able to get like my chin and this cheek, so I'm gonna have to go in with more pumps than I was expecting. I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 more pumps now. One thing that I wish this foundation did have is SPF. It kind of smells like a sunscreen, so I was like, does this have SPF? But no, it doesn't. So I just think like a foundation should always have an SPF. Okay, so foundation is applied to my entire face. It took 3 pumps to do that, and so far it's looking pretty good. It does claim to be buildable coverage, so I'm gonna go back in with 1 more pump and try and build up the coverage over my cheeks and my nose where I have some pores and redness that I really want to build up the coverage on. But I have to say, as is, the coverage is pretty nice on them. Okay, so the foundation did build up and I feel like my redness is very covered on my cheeks, and if you've been following my channel, you know that redness is something that I've been struggling with. I've been doing some color correcting, but this foundation alone does a great job of covering that for me. It did blend out very nicely and it's feeling pretty hydrating to my skin. I do tend to have combination skin, but I have dryness, especially on my chin. But with the rose water infused foundation, this is looking very smooth on the dry areas of my face. As far as creasing goes, it does crease in the lines that I have under my eyes, but I'm not having creasing issues like around my mouth or anything like that. So I wouldn't say that the creasing is a problem for this. With my under eyes, I usually always set that with powder anyways. I would describe this finish as kind of a velvety finish. It definitely doesn't look matte. It is kind of more of a hydrating, glowy look, but not like super dewy. Wow, my skin does feel very sticky though. And it definitely got on my fingers. So I would want to set this with a powder with a setting spray to make sure that my foundation isn't coming off when my skin were to rub against anything. I have to say though, I'm really liking how my skin looks. It's looking very smooth and it's not settling into my pores and making my skin look like it has texture. So I'm feeling pretty happy with this, and like it's definitely something I want to keep. I want to wear more often. I had never heard of this foundation before. I'd never seen any other reviews on it, but if you've tried this before, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know if you like it, because I think I like it. I'm going to continue to wear this and I'm pretty impressed. I think I went into this feeling like I wasn't really gonna like it. Maybe because the packaging looked like it was like all destroyed, and I was like, this can't be a good quality product if the packaging is destroyed, but I actually do like this. It feels very comfortable on my face. Even though I have full coverage, it doesn't really feel like there's anything on my skin, and I love that it's infused with skincare ingredients. And the price, in my opinion, is great. You get a pretty big bottle of this foundation. It did take me 3 to 4 pumps to do my whole face, so this will probably last a few months, but for $10.49 plus taxes in Massachusetts, but that's pretty good. But yay, I'm happy with this product, so I'm going to say that day 128 of trying a new makeup product every day was a success. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.